Hey, what's happening, YouTube community? Richard Jordan Jr. here, and today I wish to elaborate on true thoughts with the goal of becoming a much more conscious person. Basic true thoughts involve viewing events with a mindfulness of possibilities. The vehicle that drove slowly may have possibly had precious cargo, which resulted in the unusual pace. Here, we clearly see that true thoughts involve being constantly mindful of possibilities. Sometimes, to fully understand the possibilities requires life experiences. A basic true thought, therefore, involves understanding that we need to be mindful of possibilities. Another type of true thought is understanding that what we see is more than what we see. For example, beauty has many forms, if that is how you choose to view the world. Growing up, George recalls laying down on the couch and watching National Geographic. Watching wild animals is interesting because it provides insight about who we are. It is obvious that some wild animals are in a transition for various reasons. Some wild animals are changing or evolving as a result of environmental changes. As a result of this transition, their physical characteristics may not necessarily be what we would consider to be attractive. For example, a hyena is not as cute and cuddly as compared to your favorite teddy bear. Hyenas are still attractive to George because they are survivors, he explains. All animals, including people, are more than their physical appearance. We are a result of external forces that continues to shape us. This is a transcendental thought in that we have incorporated a time element and external forces into our observation. This type of true thought that incorporates external forces with a span of time is much more complex. However, very important because it is true. It is up to us as to how we process what we see and experience and ultimately form our thoughts and beliefs, because our thoughts are part of who we are. This type of true thought incorporates external forces and a time that extends generations. The Tuatara is the fastest known evolving animal. It is only found in New Zealand. It is the only surviving member of a reptilian order, Spinacha, that lived alongside early dinosaurs, according to a Live Science article. One of the very first NASA posters created reflected the message that in order for the human species to survive, we will at some moment in our future be required to leave this planet. Now keep in mind that when that time arrives, our physical environment and the external forces placed on our biology will be much more different than it is today. Everything is beautiful, and then there is exceptionally beautiful.